I'm R.S. Chatrawat from Department of Mechanical Engineering. Hi students, good morning. Today's topic is based on APT language. APT language means automatically programmed tools language. In this topic, APT language for computer assisted part programming. Our objective are to explain the English like statements of this numerical control language and to show how they are used to command the cutting tool through its sequence of machining operations is based on APT is a language, and APT is not only an ANSI language, it is also the computer program that perform the calculation to generate cutter position based on APT statements. We will not consider the internal working of the computer program. Instead, we will concentrate on the language that the part programmer must use. APT is a three-dimensional system that can be used to control up to 5 axes. We will limit our discussion to the more familiar 3 axes X, Y and Z and exclude rotational coordinates. APT can be used to control a variety of different machining operations. APT system consists of three parts: APT programs, APT processor and APT post processor. This is the three parts of automatic programmer tools. The part programming is the first written in APT language to specify part geometry, defining selected parameter for machining, specifying tool path constraints. There is positioning in the language to allow for the specification of machine tool depends data such as feed rates and spindle speeds. This information is later used by APT post processor. APT post processor is a very large program which runs mainly on a mainframe computer, and this data is then normally passed on to the APT post processor. This is the information flow in APT system. Part programmer, part programmer to part program and part program to computer terminal. The CL data in acceptance APT program and produced an output which is called the cutter location data CL data. The CL data files show the tools and coordinates value which when plotted and connected by straight line segments will trace the path of the tool center during the cutting operation. The allowance of the tool's radius is called the tool offset. This data is then normally passed on to a APT post processor which produce on NC tape for a specific machine tool. Thus, the post processor is a machine tool depends program and converts the generalized CL data into specified NC code. The flow chart for NC and an APT system is shown this figure. There are four types of statements in APT language. First, geometry statements. These define the geometric elements that compare the work part. They are also sometimes called definition statements. Second, motion statement. These are used to describe the path taken by the cutting tool. Third, post processor statement. These apply to the specified machine tool and control system. They are used to specify feeds and speeds and to actuate other features of the machine. Auxiliary statement. These are miscellaneous statements used to identify the part, tool, tolerances, and so on. We discuss geometry statement. Geometry statements is responsible for the definition of geometry elements that constitute the workpiece, and this formula is equal symbol equal to geometry type slash descriptive data means geometry elements means point, line, plane, circle, etc. P, capital P define point, capital L define line, and capital L define plane. For example, in this figure we show line L1. Line L1 first starting coordinates point 02 and name point P1, and next point of coordinates name P2 and have coordinate 5 comma 4 means x value of x equal to 5 or value of y equal to 4 means x1 equal to 0 and y1 equal to 2 and x2 equal to 5 or y equal to 4. This statement write L1 equal to geometry type means capital line slash P1 comma to P2. Next, motion statements. Motion statements after defining the work part geometry, the programmer must next construct the path that the cutter will follow the machine the part. This tool path specification involve a detailed step-by-step sequence of cutter move. The move are made along the geometry elements. Post processor. Post processor statements define the special features of the programmers means coolant on off cycle and feed rate, type of machines means lathe, milling, drilling, rapid, spindle turret. Uh, for example, we write feed rate slash F1. F means feed rate. 1 PM means feed rate per 1 inch per minute. And machine slash means machine name milling or lathe or drilling, and 2 means number of machine. Next, auxiliary statements. Auxiliary statements is the last statements which describe the show the finish means finning, part number, internal tolerance, outer tolerance, cutter radius compensation, clear print, etc.